Hi and welcome to the knitting tutorial about to work the German twisted cast on. It's also called the Old Norwegian cast on, and this cast on is a version of a long tail cast on, but it's way more elastic. As you do with the long tail cast on, you measure with the thread how wide your piece should be, and then 3 times more, and this would be the place you put the slip knot. But in this version I show you now, I skip the slip knot. And I have the end in front and do a slingshot position with my left hand, which means I put the index finger and the thumb into this loop and spread the fingers, and with the rest of the fingers I grab and I hold the yarn. And as I said, I skip the slip knot, I just insert the needle underneath the thread. And then I will hold with my right index finger the stitch to prevent to lose the stitch. With the needle, I go underneath the thumb thread, underneath both strands. I come up and then I go inside of those two. And then I will grab the index thread, and now it comes the tricky part. I will put my thumb down and go with the needle outside of this loop and release the loop. And with the thumb I bring tension on the thread again. Let me show you again. Underneath both strands, come up, insert the two, grab the index thread and then down again. Once again. And this will give you a very elastic edge, which is great for hats or socks. And it will take in the beginning some time to get used to it. It doesn't matter if you can't do it on the first approach, but I think you can manage it to do it. And this will be the cast on. So this is the front and this is the back. And when I can show you this on my latest project. This is the Cape Carnival hat, and I used this cast on method. And afterwards I did garter stitches over it, so it fades in nicely, this kind of cast on. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.